Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick skincare routine starting with my base, which is my Nothing Phases Me serum. I love the serum. It helps boost the cholesterol levels of your face, kind of like plumps it up. And I love that it's in a glass bottle and a little dropper. I'm running out, so that's why I had to dip back into it. I probably put on way too much than I should have put on, but I absolutely love this because for my oily skin, the fact that I have really big pores, it really helps minimize the appearance, and it helps kind of fill them in without clogging them. I absolutely love this stuff. Next, I'm going to be going in with this vitamin C serum. I haven't actually used this very much, so I'm still kind of like debating whether I like it or not. It smells pretty much like oranges because I mean obviously vitamin C is oranges, but it does leave my skin pretty sticky. But then I'm going to go in with a jade roller that I've been loving on my skin. It actually helps if you stick it in the refrigerator for maybe like 15 minutes before you start using it. But as I'm rubbing in this vitamin C serum, I'm just feeling that it's making my face feel a little sticky, and I really don't like that. But it does help glide the jade roller over my skin pretty easily without kind of tugging at it. As you can see, I am loving the effects it's already doing because it's already cool. I hadn't stuck it in the refrigerator, but I keep thinking I want to do it before I actually use it in my skincare routine. So basically how you're supposed to use a jade roller is you are rubbing in the direction, you're in a couple of directions actually. You're going up and down towards the lymphatic nodes just to kind of boost circulation around the face and blood flow and all that good stuff. And then there's two sides, and of course my little one starts to show up and comes in here. I absolutely love the jade roller. So right now I did the up and down. Now I'm going kind of side to side. And another good thing is that the little one is really good for around the nose area. Next, I'm going to go in with my Impish Eyes from Perfectly Posh. I absolutely love this serum. This is for under eyes. It has caffeine in it, so it helps depuff as well as kind of plump the area. And I'm using my ring finger to kind of work that into my under eye area. Now I'm going to go in with my Prize on the Eyes eye cream. I will be going more in depth with the ingredients of these products. I just wanted to kind of show you a quick routine of what I use on a daily basis, as well as on special occasion days when I kind of really need a full face of full hydration in my face. And same thing, I'm dotting just a tiny bit on my ring fingers, patting them together and rubbing them into my under eye as well as over my eye because of the CoQ10 that is in this product itself. For my final and one of my favorite parts of my routine here is putting on my Collier Shrink Pore Refining Moisturizer. It smells amazing to top it off, but the effects it actually has on my overall skin, it leaves it super smooth, it's hydrating, and it's definitely tightening those pores. As you can see, my under eye and the rest of my face, I mean, I do have a lot of redness, but overall, this moisturizer is definitely my absolute favorite. Last thing I'm going to put on and use is my Bring On the Bubbly Lip Scrub, because you gotta take care of your lips too. Anything prepping the lips before any lip color is very important, especially because with the winter months coming and colder months coming, you do not want chapped lips before you put on your lip products. And you just lick it off, and that's it. Really quickly here, I just want to thank everybody so much for watching, and hopefully you guys like what you saw. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.